I have 7 cards numbered from 1 to 7. I take one at random, replace it in the pile, shuffle, and then pick again. What is the probability that from the two numbers I get at least one prime number? This type of problem lends itself very well to a possibility space. If the first card can be anything from 1 to 7, we can list it down here. The second one is then listed at the top. It could be anything from 1 to 7. Let's look at the method here. Since I took the first card, looked at it, replaced it, and then picked again, the card that I picked first time is back in the pile when I pick the second time. Therefore, it could be picked again. So 1 and 1 is a possibility, as is 1 and 2, 1 and 3, and so on. In the same way, it's quite possible for me to pick 2 and 2. Indeed, any possibility at all within this grid could happen, so we mark them all with a dot. Since for both picks there are 7 cards in play, we're going to get a total of 49 possibilities. That's 7 times 7 possibilities. This may seem like a long process putting all these dots in, but possibility spaces really do help us answer these sorts of problems without having to think too deeply, so it's worth the effort. So we want at least one prime number. 2 is a prime number, so anything in this column is a possibility for us. 3 is a prime number, so anything in this column is in the set that we want as well, as is 5, and 7 is also prime. We need to look at these same numbers in the rows as well, and circle any that we missed when doing the columns. So counting, the probability that we want is those circled, of which there are 40, divided by the total number of possibilities, which, as already stated, is 49. No cancelling is possible.